You're going to tense the muscles in your face. The crazier your face looks, the better. So. Hi everyone, I'm Day. I'm a social skills consultant. I'm also big on all things mental health. And so today I thought that I'd come to you guys and show you some nervous system regulation techniques, especially with the events going on in the world. Oh, good Lord. I'm not even going to get into that, but times can be hard. Hell, times could even be hard in your own personal life. But these are some ways that you can ground yourself, at least temporarily. All right, now I'm going to start with box breathing. And essentially what we're going to do is we're going to inhale for 4 counts, hold for 4 counts, exhale for 4 counts, and then hold for 4 counts. Okay, ready? Inhale 1, 2, 3, 4, hold 1, 2, 3, 4, exhale 1, 2, 3, 4, hold 1, 2, 3, 4. So we just did box breathing. Now I want to do a variation of that technique with you. But this time we're going to inhale for 4, hold for 2, exhale for 6, and then we're going to hold for 2. Okay? Inhale 1, 2, 3, 4, hold 1, 2, exhale 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, hold 1, 2. Let's do it again. Inhale 1, 2, 3, 4, hold, exhale 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, hold. Now I want you to take a big deep breath. Hold. And then exhale. And I want your sigh to be audible, like. I want you to do it again, but this time I want you to raise your shoulders as high as they could go. Ideally, you should feel some tension, especially like I do because I slept wrong. Inhale 1, 2, 3, 4. And then drop your shoulders. It should be big and dramatic. Okay? Now, next thing we're going to do, we are going to do the butterfly tap. Now you're going to cross your arms over your shoulders like this. Okay? And now tap your shoulders. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Keep going. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Keep going. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Keep going. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Keep going. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Keep going. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. One more time. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now the point of that is something called bilateral stimulation. It's one of the main aspects of EMDR therapy. In fact, now I'm not an EMDR therapist, but I encourage you to look into that if that's something that you think could be helpful for you. But yes, bilateral stimulation is soothing to the nervous system, and bilateral stimulation essentially means stimulating both sides of the body equally. It's actually one of the reasons why exercise is emotionally regulating, because you're using both sides of your body in most forms of exercise that you do. So that's a little tidbit. Now we're going to do a variation on the butterfly tap that I just showed you. Now I want you to cross your arms again. Now we're going to tap both shoulders at the same time. So before we were doing one after the other, now we're doing the same time. I want you to make vocalizations. like this. Okay, first, take a deep breath. Go. Okay. Deep breath again. But this time, I want you to tap your shoulders at the same time. So, yeah. And I know some of you might be laughing a bit while doing that, but humming is actually good because humming activates the vagus nerve, which the vagus nerve plays a major role in regulating your nervous system. Now, another technique that you could do is called progressive muscle relaxation. And what that basically is, if you haven't heard of it, is you're going to tense the different parts of your body one by one, then you're going to release them. So, we're going to practice together. Start by flexing your feet as hard as you can. Hold it. Now release. Now curl your toes in as hard as you can. Keep curling. Keep clenching hard as you can. Now release. Now tense your calf muscles hard as you can. Now release. Do it again. Now release. Tense your thighs hard as you can. Keep tensing, keep tensing, keep tensing. Now release. Do it again. Now release. Squeeze your glute muscles as hard as you can. Now release. Squeeze again. Alright, that's I live in New York City. That's my neighbor's dog. Squeeze your glute muscles again. Now release. Now tense your back muscles. Arch your back as much as you can. Now release. Arch back again. Keep arching, keep tensing. Now release. Now squeeze your ab muscles. Tense your core, tense your core, tense your core, tense your core. Now release. Squeeze your ab muscles again. Tense your core, tense your core, tense your core. Keep tensing, keep tensing. Now release. Now, squeeze the muscles in your chest. Contract inward. Now release. Do it again. Now release. And when you're tensing your muscles, don't overthink it. Just let your body do what it naturally does. Now, we're going to tense your arms. Hold your arms out like this. And in fact, I want you to make 2 fists. Okay? Keep tensing, keep tensing, keep tensing, keep tensing, keep tensing. Clench your muscles as much as you can. Hold your fist like you're a kid driving a car. And now release. And we're going to do it again. And now release. Shrug your shoulders up as much as you can. Tense your shoulders, tense your shoulders, tense your shoulders. And release. Now, you're going to tense the muscles in your face. The crazier your face looks, the better. So, now, you're going to tense the muscles in your face. The crazier your face looks, the better. So, let's see if I can do this without laughing. And hold. And release. Your face needs to look like you sucked on a big lemon. I like sucking lemons though, but most people don't. Anyway, okay, so now that you've done that, we're going to tense all our muscles. I'm still laughing about the face thing. But okay. On the count of 3. 1, 2, 3. And release. You probably feel lighter, right? Probably feel much more relaxed, right? And the beautiful thing about this one and some of the other ones I mentioned too are that you can do them anywhere. I mean, you may not want to be scrunching your face up like that in public, but like the rest of your body, you can modify them and you can tense your muscles and nobody will know. So that could be a quick way to ground yourself even if your nervous system gets dysregulated while you're in public. And not only does nervous system regulation help your mental health, it also helps your social skills too, because when you're regulated, you can be present and you can connect to people a lot easier. And that's exactly what I teach in The Real Way to Conquer Social Anxiety. It's taken from Module 1 of my full Social Skills Mastery for Adults program. And unlike a lot of the conventional teachings on how to get over social anxiety, these lessons are designed to teach you how to eliminate social anxiety at the root, which is by regulating your nervous system and improving your self-concept. And together, those two things will allow you to start actually feeling safe in situations so that your true charisma can shine through. Once your body learns how to feel safe, the social ease will follow. It's a natural next step to being that person that can walk into any room, feel at ease, and walk out with tons of connections. And if you're ready to take that next step, I'll leave a link down below. And my last tip to you, do something artistic. Even if you're not a particularly artistic person, you can draw a picture. It can be a stick figure. It does not have to be the Mona Lisa. You can sing, even if you don't think you're good at it. You can make up a silly song. Making up a silly song is good. It's actually something I really like to do because not only does singing help regulate your nervous system, but laughter does too. In fact, I actually wrote a song that started off as a joke. So if you want to hear that, I'll put the link below, but that helps. And you can also color. Coloring is not just for kids. You guys have probably heard of adult coloring books because they become popular in recent years, and that's because they help to ground you and regulate your nervous system. In fact, I have a coloring book. It's actually a 2-in-1 shadow work journal and coloring book, so it balances shadow work journal prompts, which there's 111 of them, by the way, and also coloring pages, so that while you're doing the shadow work, if you need to take a break, because it does get heavy, you can ground yourself, you can color, and it's a good way to connect to your inner child too. So the link will be below if you want to check that out as well. But all in all, there are many ways that you can regulate your nervous system, and I showed you a bunch of techniques so that you can choose the one that'll work best for you at any given time. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed this video. Comment below which of these nervous system regulation techniques was your favorite, or if you already do some of these, which one of these do you like the best? You let me know. Also, share this video with anyone you think it would help, and I will see you in my next one. Bye guys.